Hey foodies! Are you not tired of eating rice? Let's make something different today. I'll call it plantain pepper soup. Before I continue, today's shout out goes to Griffin from YouTube. Thank you so much for liking my recipe. I appreciate you. You can equally leave a comment for me if you want me to give you a shout out in my next video. And please don't mind my voice, I have cold. First, let's prepare our ingredients. We're using 3 unripe plantains. You're going to peel and slice it. We have 2 tablespoons of peppersoup spice mix, 1 medium onions, you're going to chop that, 3 cloves of garlic, you're going to mince that. Then we have crushed ginger. We also have our salt. This goat meat seasoning, I saw it at the supermarket and this is the first time I'm going to be trying it. But something in me says I'll love it. Then I have extra 2 seasoning cubes. Moving on, we're going to be using about 2 tablespoons of crushed Scotch Bonnet. You can use more if you like. It depends on how hot you want the pepper soup to be. Then we have Uyaya spice. This is one of the important spices in pepper soup. It is perfect for a special aroma and taste. And you can get it at any local store. Just tell them you want to buy Uyaya spice. Then what is pepper soup without crayfish? We're going to be using some grounded crayfish as well. We have saint leaves for garnish. And finally, our goat meat. You can use any protein of your choice. I'm using about 500 grams of goat meat already cut into smaller parts. The idea is to be able to eat the plantain alongside the meat. So start by heating up your stove, pour in the goat meat and start spicing up. The first thing I added was the Scotch Bonnet, then the pepper soup spice. I equally added the goat meat spice I picked from the supermarket. Then I added garlic and ginger straight away. Finally, the chopped onions. Give it a mix and let it cook for some minutes. This allows the goat meat to soak up all necessary flavors, and by the time you open it again, you realize that the atmosphere has changed. Give it a mix and add water. And because of the additional water, the seasoning in the meat won't be enough to make the pepper soup tasty. And if you've noticed, you realize that we have not added salt. So go ahead and add additional seasoning. Now add your salt, add crayfish, add your Uyaya spice. Mix, cover and let it cook for some minutes. Oh my god, guys, my neighbors will know that something is definitely happening in my kitchen today. So I added more salt because I realized it required more salt. This is the time to add our plantain. Once you're done, cover and let it cook completely. Within 5 to 8 minutes, it should be ready. And guys, look at that. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh, my heart is cutting. Now go ahead to add your saint leaves and give it a mix. Oh yeah, tell me, what is the aroma in your kitchen like? Because mine is all over the street oh. So after adding the saint leaves, pull off the heat when it's about 1 to 2 minutes because we don't want to overcook our vegetables. And mind you, all the ingredients I use will be in this video description, so do well to check it. And here is a hearty bowl of plantain pepper soup. It is spicy, it is flavorful, and oh, It is so comforting. Please do not forget to like, to comment and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. I'll see you soon. Till then, remain blessed. Bye bye.